If you want to create this type of smooth infinite loop carousel for your website or for your client website, this video is for you. Even if you don't know any coding, I'd provide you custom CSS link in the description below. You just simply copy and follow the video to create this type of beautiful smooth infinite loop carousel for your website. Let's get into it. So I'd use the section here. So drag and drop the carousel, but before I do this, let me customize it a little bit. I want some margin bottom, let's say 100, and padding at the top 30 pixel, bottom 30 pixel, and I want background color to white, and from layout to full width and 100% minimum height to, let's say, VH, and then 100 VH. Align item to center. Let's drag and drop the image carousel. So people actually use this type of section to slide logos. However, for tutorial purpose, I've used some random images. Just make sure all the images are in one size to look good. However, you can use whatever the size you want. So I'm inserting these 6 images, and let me customize it a little bit. Medium size, slides to shoe 5, scroll to shoe 1, and then I don't want any navigation because it will automatically slide. From additional option, I want to turn on the lazy load and autoplay speed, let's say 0, and animation speed, if I put 0, oops, super fast. So I'd put, let's say 5,000, and this is how you create it. But as you can see, after a certain amount of time, it's automatically stopped and then again start sliding. But we don't want this. We want it to smoothly slide without stopping. So we're going to do exactly this with the custom CSS. So before I do this, let me give some spacing between images. So I'll custom spacing like 20%. The border radius, let's say 10 pixel. I want border radius for all images. And now I'll put the custom CSS here. Scroll down from advanced to custom CSS, and then copy and paste the CSS. And that's it. It's currently scrolling without stopping, right? So this is the thing we want for another section, which will be from left to right. So I will simply duplicate the first one. And as you can see, it's 2 column, but I don't want as column. I want the position to vertical. So I'll go selecting the primary container. I'll go layout, and from layout to direction to vertical column, right? So as you can see here, smoothly sliding. But I want the second one to slide from left to right. So I'll put right. And this is the final result. It's sliding without stopping. Thank you.